Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Look at the damage on this. Absolute mess of this full custom here around the latch mechanism. Thieves have really had a go at this. They really wanted to get into this van. They've hacked away at this. They've actually attacked the deadlock here as well and made damage up the top of the door. So damage at the top of the door, damage at the bottom of the door. The good news is they actually didn't get in. Please do give us a like for the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This way we can keep you up to date with the latest in-van security, and the side load door shield stopped them getting in the van. So that has done its job. It's good news that they didn't get in the van. They didn't steal the customer's tools and possessions, but it is bad news that the customer's got damage from these thieves, what they've left on the van. I mean, it's a London van, and I know we shouldn't be saying this, but if he's gone sort of like 5 years or whatever since doing the locks without an attack, I guess it's been good that those locks have deterred thieves for those 5 years. But unfortunately, he has come up against it now where they have had a go at his van. They've had a significant go at his van, and they've made damage to the door here, to the door here. Two lots of good news to take away from this. Although it's a massive headache, really annoying having someone attack your van, they didn't get in, they didn't get his tools. And in terms of us getting this van back on the road, well, the damage is mostly limited to the door. It's not like all down the pillar of this van. They've not been levering with crowbars trying to get the door open. Inside the door, it's okay here, so there's no real damage there. The damage really is located to sort of this area here and this area here. And the good news for that is we have repair shields for this van for those things. This is an escutcheon repair, and what we're going to do with this is we'll fit that up around the deadlock. We'll change the deadlock barrel, and we will fit this here to cover off most of that damage. It does go a long way over there, so this might still show, but what we'll try and do is we'll try and bend this bodywork up a little bit to try and reduce this dent, bring it in a little bit, just so it can sort of hide as much of that damage as possible. In terms of where they've gone at this lower down on the door, it's quite a lot of damage. They've really kind of cut a big hole in that door. We have a standard size shield, but I think in the case of this van, we're gonna have to fit our large shield to it. This is our large size shield, and this will cover up that damage nicely. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fit this internal barn door shield. We're gonna fit our external barn door shield, and we're also gonna fit an escutcheon shield on the barn door also up there. So stay tuned, customer's waiting, he's got to get back to work, so we're going to get this van on the road, get this customer back in business. Danny, are we ready? I say, are we ready? I think Danny was a little bit too ready because it looks like he's been doing the reveal on the back door without me. Look at this. What's going on here, Danny?
You have to be quick.
You have to be quick if you're around. Okay, we're ready for this reveal. Anyway, what's left?
You do the top, I do the bottom.
Right, okay. Two-man job this is. Ready? Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Nice. Okay, here we go. So, I think you'll agree, it's looking a lot better than it was. That big, horrible hole at the top round where the deadlock was, the big, horrible hole down there where the latch is. So the customer did already have our internal shield on his latch, which is the thing that stopped this thief from getting in the van. That one, and I can see they had started drilling into it. We actually have a double layered one now, so I did give him an upgrade. I got Danny to do him a free upgrade on that to our new double layered one. We fitted our external large size repair shield. We have one that's smaller than this as well, but the damage on this was quite significant. It went down quite low on the door, so we fitted the large size. We also fitted our escutcheon repair shield, so it cleaned up a lot of that damage. We still can see a little bit of distortion around the left and around the bottom there where the damage was quite widespread on the door, but you barely notice it in all honesty. So it's looking pretty good. We did also change the deadlock barrel and deadlock lock case because those were both damaged. At the same time, fitted our escutcheon shield on the barn door deadlock and our external and internal barn door shield for the actual latch, where people go for like a similar type of attack from the side load door but through the barn door. So this vehicle's ready to go back on the road. I'm sure this customer is keen to get himself back to London, get him back in business, get him back doing some jobs. Please do give us a like for the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we will keep you up to date with the latest in van security as things change over the coming months and over the coming years. And the last thing to just say is thanks for watching.